In this video, I'm going to show you number one SolidWorks shortcut you wish you knew earlier. So let me first ask you a question. What do you think, how many sketches did I use to create this model? And how many features did I use to create this model? As you can see, we have a draft here, we have a draft here and here. Here we have the cut, and we have a lot of extrusions. To create this model, I used only one sketch, and I used 4 features. And this is because I use a technique using a sketch by multiple features. And this is the number one shortcut you wish you knew earlier because it's going to save you a lot of time, make your job much faster, and you're going to save a lot of memory, and your work will be much, much simpler. Now, before we get into this, if you still didn't get my free course on the part design, sketching, assembly, drawing, surfacing, sheet metal, and FEA, then click the link below and get this free course because soon it will not be free. Now, let's get started with this. So, let's start with a new file, and I'm going to show you how to create this by using only one sketch. So, we're going to create a new part file, and we're going to go on the front plane, and we're going to create a sketch. So let's go here, front plane, and let's create a sketch. So we're going to go here with rectangle, like this. And then what we're going to do, we're going to say this line and this line are equal. Like this. We're going to go to the smart dimension, and we're going to put a dimension here, 100 millimeters. Let's click OK. Then we're going to take a line, and we're going to go from this midpoint to this midpoint, and also we're going to go from this one here to this one here. That's it. That's only one sketch that we're going to use. Okay, so now we're going to go to the features, and we're going to go to the extrude boss base. And now, as you can see, we have only one sketch. Now we're going to extrude 50 millimeters, but now we have to choose what we're going to extrude. We're not going to extrude the whole sketch. That's why down below here we have selected contours, right? So we're going to click here, and we're going to choose one contour here. As you can see, we can select 4 of them. We're going to choose this one, and we're going to go 50 millimeters, and direction 2, we're going to go 20 millimeters, like this. And then also what we're going to do, we're going to include thin feature, 10 millimeters, and we're going to click OK. And this is our first step. Now, if we want to use the other contours, we don't have to create a new sketch. We can use the existing sketch. And this technique is called using sketch by multiple features. So what are we going to do? We go to the feature manager design tree. We open this, and here we have our sketch. I'm going to click on this sketch, and I'm going to just call out extrude boss base again. And now I'll go to the selected contours, and I'm going to say, I want this contour, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go here with 100 millimeters. I'll go with draft. I can go to direction 2. I'll go with 50. Let's go with 5 degrees as well. Let's click OK. And now we have this one, right? So if you open this extruder boss now, here we have the same sketch, sketch 2, and we can now continue. So let's click the sketch. Let's go to the extruder boss base. Let's go to the selected contours, select this one here, like this. Let's say we want 100 millimeters, direction 2, we want 20 millimeters, like this. Let's click OK. If we open extrude 2, we have also sketch 2, as you can see this. Let's a little bit fix this. Let's go to the extrude thin one, this one here. Let's just change here reverse direction on the draft, like this. This is what I want. And also, we can go with a 4th contour. So let's go here, extrude boss, and we're going to go to the selected contours. We're going to select this one here. Let's go, for example, 150, draft, but we're going to go to the opposite direction. So we're going to go draft outward, like this. Let's go with 3 degrees. Let's click OK. And now we got this model by using only one sketch. And as you can see in our feature manager design tree, we have only one sketch, sketch 2, and we have 4 features. And also, if you want to use extrude cut, you can use also this by using this technique. So this is number 1 SolidWorks shortcut we knew earlier that can save you a lot of time and make your process much, much simpler. Now, also, if you want to get my free course, just click the link below. See you in our video.